Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a true rolling palace on wheels. Imagine stepping into a vehicle that doesn't just move you from place to place, but surrounds you with the kind of luxury and technology that rivals a five-star resort, where we explore the most jaw-dropping machines on the planet. And today you're in for a treat. The Kenworth T2000 has always been known as a powerful and reliable rig, but in 2026 it's been transformed into something truly extraordinary. From the outside, the sleek aerodynamic body hints at performance and efficiency, but it's what's inside that makes this motorhome a jaw-dropper. As the doors slide open, you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a private mansion than an RV. Step into the living room and the wow factor hits instantly. Plush leather sofas wrap around a spacious lounge area, paired with a handcrafted wooden coffee table that conceals hidden storage. The massive panoramic windows flood the room with natural light and give you breathtaking views wherever you park. A giant 75-inch smart OLED TV drops down silently from the ceiling, paired with a surround sound system that turns this living room into a private theater on wheels. Ambient LED lighting runs along the walls and ceiling, creating a cozy atmosphere whether you're watching a movie, entertaining guests, or simply relaxing after a long drive. Move into the kitchen, and you'll find top-of-the-line appliances that put many homes to shame. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, and even a wine cooler are all seamlessly integrated. Every cabinet is smart-controlled, opening with just a touch. The bedroom is pure luxury. A king-size memory foam bed with climate-controlled bedding ensures restful nights wherever you park. There's even a private balcony deck that extends out, giving you the chance to sip coffee in the morning with breathtaking views right outside your door. Of course, the bathroom takes things to another level with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors that double as touchscreens. Imagine stepping out of the shower in the middle of the desert or mountains and still feeling like you're in a luxury suite. And let's not forget performance on under the hood. This beast is powered by a next-gen hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, offering both muscle and efficiency. Advanced driver assist features, self-leveling suspension, and solar panels on the roof make it perfect for long adventures without compromise. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're traveling across states or parking by the ocean, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 turns every trip into a first-class experience. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living in this rolling palace? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join me here at Auto Plus for more incredible machines that push the limits of design and luxury.